A guide to starting a YouTube automation channel. In today's digital age, YouTube has become more than just a platform for sharing videos. It's a space for cultivating communities and generating income. One intriguing niche within this vast platform is YouTube automation. The concept of YouTube automation involves creating content that educates, entertains, or informs viewers about automation technologies, tools, and trends. This video aims to provide a comprehensive guide on how to start a YouTube automation channel, from conceptualization to content creation and audience engagement. Choosing your focus. Identify your niche. The first step in starting a YouTube automation channel is to define your niche. Automation is a broad field, encompassing robotics, artificial intelligence, home automation, industrial automation, and more. Decide which aspect of automation excites you the most and aligns with your expertise. Research and analysis. Thoroughly research your chosen niche. Understand the competition, identify gaps in content, and recognize opportunities to add unique value. This will help you shape your channel's identity and content strategy. Creating high-quality content. Content planning. Develop a content calendar outlining the topics you'll cover and the frequency of uploads. Consistency is key on YouTube, so plan your content schedule realistically. Scripting and storytelling. Write engaging scripts for your videos. Automation can be complex, so break down concepts into digestible segments. Incorporate storytelling to make your content relatable and memorable. Video production. Invest in quality equipment, including a good camera, microphone, and editing software if needed. Ensure your videos have excellent production values, as viewers often judge the quality of content based on production quality. Optimizing for YouTube. SEO and titles. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will improve your video's discoverability on YouTube's search and recommendation algorithms. Engaging thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that represent your video's content accurately. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so they play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and comment on your videos. Engaging with your audience and fostering a community is essential for channel growth. Monetization and growth. Monetization strategies. Explore various monetization options, such as YouTube's AdSense program, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Diversify your income streams. Collaborations. Collaborate with other creators in the automation niche. This can expose your channel to a wider audience and foster a sense of community within the niche. Audience feedback. Listen to your viewers. Pay attention to their comments and suggestions. Adapt your content based on their interests and needs. Staying informed and adapting. Stay updated. Automation technologies are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest trends and breakthroughs in your niche. Share this knowledge with your audience to establish yourself as an authority. Starting a YouTube automation channel requires careful planning, dedication, and a passion for the subject matter. By choosing the right niche, creating high-quality content, optimizing for YouTube's algorithms, and fostering audience engagement, you can build a successful channel in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Remember that consistency and adaptability are key to long-term growth and success on the platform. As automation continues to shape the future, your YouTube channel can be a valuable resource for those seeking to understand and embrace this transformative technology.